Hey guys, I'm doing this video today for all those people out there wondering if they should buy an affiliate marketing course or not. And the answer is no, not right now anyway. Now I do promote one affiliate marketing course on my channel, and that's a course that's tailored towards Amazon because Amazon is its own animal. And if you want Amazon to be your main affiliate partner, then yes, get the course. But if not, watch this video because when I first got started in the blogging game, I did not have a lot of money. So I had to be really choosy about the things that I could buy. When it came to affiliate marketing, I did not feel that I needed to buy a course because a lot of the answers were already out there for free. And that's how I've been able to make 6 figures with affiliate marketing for the last 3 years without ever taking a course. Now, have I ever gotten an affiliate marketing course? Yes, but I just did that recently, and I'm always trying to continuously learn, so that's why I'm doing that, and I actually can afford it now, so that's why I'm doing it. And I got Debbie Gardner's ebook. I know I'm always talking about Debbie Gardner, but she's like my blogging mentor, and she created this ebook called 73 Secret Hacks to Earn More Money with Affiliate Marketing. So I bought that, and it is really good. So I do see value in buying courses and ebooks, but I know everyone cannot afford a course right now. So if you can't, this video is for you on how to learn affiliate marketing for free. So first thing I did was look at the people who were boasting about how much they were making in affiliate marketing. What I would do is I would go to their websites and read their articles to see how they were referring different products and services just to understand their strategy. The answers are already out there for free for us to see it. So for example, I would Google how I make money using affiliate marketing and just to see what comes up in the search results. So for example, you see this guy right here, he's saying how I make money with affiliate marketing and he makes $150,000 a year. So I'm gonna click on this article because I wanna learn from him, see what he's talking about. And just scrolling down this article right here, I see you can see how long it is. And it's just value packed. Look, they have all these different affiliate programs and the commission rate for each. So this is an awesome article right here. And he even shows you all the ways that different people are making money with affiliate marketing. So see, you didn't pay a dime, and now you know all the different ways to make money through affiliate marketing by doing a quick Google search. Another thing that I did was listen to podcasts. I remember listening to Michelle Schroeder Gardner, and she was she has a very successful affiliate marketing course. And I never took her course, but she gives out some really good information for free. She is the reason that I learned about Pretty Links, which really has been a game changer for me. Pretty Links is a WordPress plugin, and the way it works is when you get involved in affiliate marketing, you're going to learn that you are given some very ugly links that look really scammy. Now, Pretty Links, it makes your links look a lot better. Let me show you guys a quick example. All right, so we're going to use Rakuten for an example. And this, just see right here, I've made over $4,000 with this program. It's a one that anyone can join. So I highly recommend if you're starting out, definitely join Rakuten because it's just one of the easiest ones to refer because I use it myself and I love it. And that's why I always promote it. All right, but what I'm going to do is see, this is my referral link right here. What I want to do is to make this look a little bit better. So I want to go ahead to copy this link and then I want to go to my website. And then I'm going to go to Pretty Links right here and then go to Add New. And what I'm doing is just trying to make this link look better. So I'm going to call this Rakuten. And then I'm going to put my URL right here. I'm going to go ahead and paste that. And then I'm going to make it look prettier and just say Rakuten. So this is how this link is now going to look. It's going to say my website name / and whatever I want to call it, but I'm going to call it Rakuten. So you go ahead and update it, and now I can use this link wherever I want. So I can go ahead right here and copy this to my clipboard. And then I'm going to show you how this works. I'm just going to go to a new tab and paste it. So it looks like triedandtruemomjobs.com / Rakuten. If I press enter, it will automatically take me to Rakuten. So this is a way that you can, they say like cloak your links just to making them look a little bit better. The other good thing about this plugin is that companies change their affiliate networks all the time for different reasons, which is really annoying for us creators because that means wherever you use that affiliate link, you now need to go back and update it because you will no longer earn a commission if someone clicks on it and makes a purchase. And I promote a lot of the same affiliate products throughout my videos, blog articles, and social media. So if I have an affiliate link that changed, that would mean that I would have to go all those different places and update that link. But with Pretty Links, you don't have to do that. I can easily update the link in WordPress with just a click of a button, and it will update every place that I use that link immediately with the new link. Now, I think this is such a valuable tip that I learned for free from a podcast. So if someone has an affiliate marketing course, see where they've been featured because they give out a lot of good information for free so you can eventually buy their course. Next thing I would do is look at my competitors. So I would see who is writing the same kind of content that I'm writing or that I want to write about. And I'd look through their blog articles to see what affiliate partners they're promoting to see if it's a company that I want to promote as well. Now, one way to know if it's an affiliate link or not is to look in the lower left-hand corner to see what link comes up when you hover over it. Let me give you an example. So this is an article of mine. So if we just hover over right here, you can see that it's hyperlinked. In the lower left-hand corner, you can see that it has like a different looking spammy kind of URL. That's how you can automatically know that that's an affiliate link because it should just say convertkit.com if it's just directing them to their site if I don't have my special unique link. So this is how I go about to see if different website owners are using affiliate links or not, because you can automatically tell if they are doing it by just looking at the URL. So for example, if I just scroll down and hover over Facebook, you see it takes you right down to facebook.com and that's their URL. So you know that I have no special relationship with Facebook and I'm just talking about them organically. So learn from your competitors about different products and services that you can promote. If you don't know who your competitors are, just do a quick Google search for what you want to write about. And every site that pops up in the search results, those are your competitors. And you guys always want to make sure that you are disclosing that you are using affiliate links, whether you are using them in your blog articles. This is how I do it here. Email. This is how I do it here. YouTube videos. This is how I do it here. And last but not least, I'm going to put a shameless plug out there and tell you guys to just look at my video I just did for affiliate marketing for beginners. Because I just watched that video again yesterday and I'm like, man, this video is really good. I give out a lot of good information, always for free for you guys. Now it's about different free traffic sources that you can use affiliate marketing to make money. And I actually show you how to do it. And most importantly, I show you guys how to not use your social security number, which is really important. So you can head to that video right now because I think this one was enough to show you why you do not need to buy an affiliate marketing course right now anyway. All right, if you guys are still watching this video, please comment and say I made it in the comment section below, just so I know that someone actually stays to the end of my videos. All right, thank you guys. I love you guys, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.